Incredible India.
Glimpses of India.
We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our teacher Mrs. Anupama Mehtani as well as our principal Mr. Joginder Bhardwaj, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic Glimpses of India, which also helped us in doing a lot of research, and we came to know about so many new things. We are really thankful to them. Secondly, we would also like to thank our parents who helped us a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame.
We are overwhelmed in all humbleness and gratefulness to acknowledge our depth to all those who have helped us to put these ideas well above the level of simplicity and into something concrete. Any attempt at any level can't be satisfactorily completed without the support and guidance of our parents and friends. I would like to thank our parents who helped us a lot in gathering different information, collecting data and guiding us from time to time in making this project despite of their busy schedules. They gave us different ideas in making this project unique. Thanking you.
Location of Haryana in India. Haryana, one of the 29 states of the Democratic Republic of India, located in northern region of the Indian subcontinent. It is India's 21st largest state by area and 18th most populous state.
Location of Telangana in India. Telangana is a state in India situated on the south central stretch of the Indian peninsula on the High Deccan Plateau. It is the 11th largest state and the 12th most populated state in India.
Language of Haryana. Haryanvi is a Central Indo-Aryan language or dialect spoken in Haryana, India. It is also spoken in metropolitan cities like Delhi and Kolkata to a lesser extent. Haryanvi is considered to be a Western Hindi dialect.
Language of Telangana. Telugu is the official language of Telangana, whereas Urdu is the second official language of the state. These two languages are spoken by more than 85% of Telangana people. Besides these two languages, Hindi is another popular language in Telangana.
Popular food in Haryana. कचरी की सब्जी, सिंगरी की सब्जी, हरा धनिया छोलिया, मेथी गाजर, कढ़ी पकोड़ा, मिक्स दाल, खिचड़ी, बथुआ रायता, टमाटर चटनी.
Popular food in Telangana. Telangana offers a variety of preparations in vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. They have a lot of mutton, chicken and vegetarian dishes to choose from. Some of the popular food are kodi fry, uri kudi kora fry and mirchi bhaji.
Religious monuments of Haryana. Different rulers constructed several religious monuments to all over their empire. The religious monuments of Haryana include temples, tombs, churches, mosques and gurudwaras constructed under different ruling dynasties.
Monuments of Telangana. Charminar, constructed in 1591, is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India.
Golconda Fort. Golconda was the principal capital of the Qutub Shahi kings. Golconda Fort is undoubtedly one of the most magnificent fortress complexes in India.
Folk dance of Haryana. Dhamal dance, Khoria dance, Ghumar dance, Loor dance, Guga dance. Folk dances of Telangana. Gusadi, Dappu dance, Lambadi, Mayuri dance, Perini Shivtandavam.